Hi, everyone. It's Abre Conner, she, her pronouns. I am your ABA YLD speaker for this year, and I am so excited to welcome each of you to our ABA YLD Annual Assembly that will be held on Saturday, August 6th in Chicago, Illinois. And also, for the first time ever in ABA YLD history, we will be having a fully hybrid program. So some of you all will be joining us virtually while the rest of us are gathered in Chicago, Illinois. We've been working tirelessly for the last several months to make sure that this experience is one that you definitely won't want to miss virtually or in person. Because of some of the recent Supreme Court decisions, I've heard from some of you that you want to know what can you do, and I've responded to those calls. So we will have speakers, for example, from the ACLU, from the National Wildlife Federation, who will be talking about the Dobbs decision, who will be talking about the West Virginia v. EPA decision and what that means for young lawyers and for our communities. In addition, we will have what you all know to be an exciting time where we pass the gavel to our new leadership for next year. And we have some really exciting resolutions that are already available on our website, along with our salmon slip, in case you all want to go ahead and get a head start and review those resolutions ahead of time. And if there are any things or questions that you may have for our drafters. We look forward to welcoming you all in Chicago, Illinois, or virtually on Saturday, August 6th. And please do not hesitate to reach out to me with any questions that you may have. We've also created a video that is available on our website as well that details what happens after assembly. I get those questions a lot, and so I wanted to make sure that we had a resource for you all to review in case you wonder what happens after our resolutions pass assembly. Looking forward to seeing you all soon.